I'm excited to share this amazing home with you here in the highly sought after Spring Valley Lake community of Victorville. We have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an amazing floor plan concept of 1,800 square feet. Right when you walk through this door, you have access to your family room and your living dining room combo. There's window shutters throughout the entire property, but what I love about it is all of the windows that allow this natural light to just pour inside. The vaulted ceilings give you a little bit more of an expansion feel inside, so you feel like you're really over 2,000 square feet when you're not. The dining room and living room combo is a nice touch because you can actually use both spaces to entertain or as a flex area to maybe have your home office, kids play area, or even homeschool. The family room comes with your brick fireplace, and then that opens up into this kitchen that is all dialed in with all of the finishes that you want. Granite countertops, plenty of cabinetry, matching appliances, and then it connects to this nook area with your walk-in pantry once you slide that barn door open. The bedrooms are spacious, and you have 4 for those big growing families. The bathrooms are all dialed in and upgraded. All you have to do is move in and start living. The backyard is very spacious for you to either enjoy what you have, or you can add a covered patio, maybe a pool, put in a playground for the kids. You have all the space that you want at your fingertips. On top of all this, you also get the community itself. Your located steps to the Spring Valley Lake amenities. That's a 200-acre waterski lake with the marina, with fuel spots, a beach area with swimming. You also have a community building, great for throwing parties and entertaining. You have 3 parks, plenty of room for the kids to play and do activities, 14 fishing areas and a picnic area, as well as sports courts and tennis courts. You've got walking trails and an equestrian center. Everything you can think of in terms of lifestyle amenity is available to you. You're also located within a few minutes of the award-winning 18-hole golf course and their country club. The community has a 24/7 public safety department that provides professional security services, medical aid response, and a lake patrol and a general assistance. There's so much you're getting with not only this house, but the lifestyle with living here. So let's recap Fairview Drive. We have 4 amazing bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, everything is dialed in for you. You've got the window shutters, the beautiful windows, that natural sunshine that pours inside, kitchen's all ready to go. I mean, all you have to do is just move in and start living. You've got the backyard, plenty of room for you to stretch out, add your own flair to it over time. Then you've got the entire Spring Valley Lake community, all its amenities. You, the family, you can all enjoy. I love this home because you're getting more than just brick and mortar here. You're getting the lifestyle that comes with it. But let's say that's not enough. You want more. I get it, right? We all want more unless it's around our waist. You're minutes to the 15 freeway. You need to take it down the hill, down to San Bernardino and the rest of that area. You have access there. You can also just hightail it up to Vegas. Go have a great time. You're close by. You're about at the halfway point for most everybody else in California who's heading up there. You want to head over to Laughlin. I mean, you have all that access, be in this close proximity to the 15 freeway, or just stay put and enjoy. Either way, you're gonna be happy with this home, and we wanna be a part of it with you. If you wanna see this property in person, call us, email us directly. We'd love to set up the showing for you so you can fall in love with this amazing home. Have a great day, and thanks for joining us on this tour.